Hello, 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 wonderful people. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make a rainbow trinket jar. Feel free to leave comments, like if you enjoyed, and subscribe to see more. I pre-mixed 4 ounces of part A and 4 ounces of part B. Once it was completely mixed, I added my fine silver glitter. I didn't have a measurement for that. I just kept adding glitter until it got the sparkle that I wanted. Then I'm going to go around the mold with each of my 6 colors. Now I'm going to pour some of the epoxy into the mold. At this point, you can fill the entire mold with epoxy, but I wanted to split it up so that I can get more rich colors. Now I'm going to repeat the process of adding my 6 colors. Here I'm gently tapping and moving the mold around to make sure that the epoxy gets into all the crevices that this mold has. Once again, you can do this process in multiple layers, or you can just do it in one go and you still will get beautiful results. Once again, I'm tapping the sides of the mold to make sure that there are no air pockets. Now it's time to work on the jar lid. I already pre-added some epoxy to the knob part because I wanted that part to be clear. And here you'll see I added 1 drop of color. I noticed it fell down. So I said, okay, let's fill it up with epoxy and then add the colors in the circle of motion. Now I patiently wait for it to cure. Now it's time to demold. I wasn't sure how long to let it sit, so I let it sit for about a week. I would rather be safe than sorry. I like what I see so far. Came out pretty good. When I tell you that this section of the mold to get out was really a struggle, so I cut that part out so y'all will not laugh at me. But a lot of people say that you can use some soapy water and put it in there and it's easy to demold. I'll try that next time. I think this came out pretty good. So the clear parts that you see in there, I thought they were air bubbles. That's the reason why I kept tapping the mold towards the middle of the video. But I like it so far. I think I did pretty good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.